Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to code a web page. In this video, we are going to learn a little about HTML, CSS and JS. So as you can see, I'm already logged into my codepen.io. So to create a project, a web page, go to in the right hand corner, go click on pen. So it will open you a new pen. You can change its name or not. So now to start code, first you need to start with HTML. HTML is used to add components, CSS is used for designing, and JS is used for functioning. Okay. So now in the HTML, to start it, you need to type HTML tag in this. Now after that, add a header. After adding a header, inside a header, you need to add a title. Now you can name this title anything you want, like how to see, create a web. Now to close it, you need to add this division tag. In this, what we say, you add the components inside HTML. And in CSS you add it inside the sections. So now let's move on. After adding a header, our title, you need to close the header. To close the header, as you know, I have added this division. Now add a body. After adding the body, I will add something like this. H1 tags are used to add text. So uh, what I was saying is, so these H1 tags are used to add the tags as I just told you. So you can use them as H2, H3, H4, F5, H6. The higher the number, the smaller is the text is. So now I will add in H2. Mhm. I've added the text in H2. Now I will add an image. So to add an image, you need to type image and source. SRC is a short form of source. Yes. Before, because we are also going to do some of the JS in this, so I will add a division to it. Okay. So now to division, you need to on click. On click now. After typing on click, you can write anything like I am adding this code for an image, so I will type an image and be sure to add these small brackets and close it. So now the image shows, yes. So you can choose image by going to this assets in down below, or you can just copy and paste the address of the image from Google. So now you can choose any image in this, like I would like to choose this one. Now it will copy the link of the image to your laptop. So now after doing this to my image, I will close the image tag. So now I will add a paragraph to add my extra text that I want to add. So in the paragraph I will type So now let's close this paragraph. So now I have closed the paragraph, and be sure to close all the tags after you start with CSS. Now I have completed my work in JS. Now let's start with CSS. So in the CSS, I would like to design it. So I need to change I want to change the color of my body. So I have added it like this and open the large bracket. So in the body, I want to change the and the background color. Now add a colon, and you can just type the color or choose it from assets. Go to colors, choose any color you want. Now paste, done. Now after adding the background color, I want to change the height and the breadth of the image too. So now image width, add a colon. Now the width should be 500 pixels. Px is pixels. And one more thing. Be sure to add the semicolon. Otherwise, when you add other things, it will not work. So I think the image is looking nice. I don't want to add the height, but you can change it if you want. So now I want to change the color of every H1, H2, H3 I want. So now for the H1, yes, background, background color should be pink. Now for the H2, color red. I have added a semicolon. Now that's all the work I need to do in CSS. So now let's start with JS. So in the JS, first, when you click on this image, it will show you a dialog box. Okay. So now in the JS, to FUNCPIO function. To add a function, you need to type a function. That's function. Now type the text that you have written here. Where it was? Yes, this one. Okay. So now add this bracket. Be sure to add it. Now to add this dialog box, we will type windows.alert. Window dot alert. So now add a small bracket and type the text you want in the dialog box, like hello everyone. Now add a semicolon here. Now let's see if it's working. Where is this image? What has happened? Device on click image Windows alert. Why? Yes, so we were checking the um, our web page. So now I'm clicking on this image. See, it is showing an embedded page as CDPN. Your tile says hello everyone. So this is how you create a web page, and this is an introduction to HTML, CSS, and JS. So do type in the comment box what you want to see in the next video, and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.